Hello, I'm Nicole, the artist behind Art by Nicole, and today we're going to talk about what I got for Christmas. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing, it's a little deceiving. Well, technically it did arrive Christmas Eve. Um, it was ordered back in October and they have been on back order, and this is still not the complete order. So these are some of the new colors of the Derwent drawing pencils. And I'm so excited when they announced that they were expanding the original range from 24 to 72. I was super stoked. I love these pencils. I love the softer muted tones. They're great for nature, drawing nature and animals, and I love to draw that stuff. So, and Dick Blick had them on a huge discount, so it was less expensive to order the 48 individual new colors, obviously, than buying the entire 72 set, which I already had 24 colors of. So I don't know when the rest of the colors will be in. When I do get them, we will swatch them out and do a drawing. But I mean, just looking at the colors that they did have in stock and sent me, they're so pretty. So pretty. So super happy about those. Next up, I got an art book. I have is it Color and Light, the other James Gurney book, filled with a lot of great information. But I was really drawn to this one. Excuse me. I'm really into fantasy art, and I thought that this book would be a great help. I will let you know how it goes. But just flipping through, I can already tell that just, wow. Incredible. Yeah, super excited to dive into this. Okay, next I have this giant box. One thing I got for Christmas, I did get gift cards and gifts of money, which is absolutely fantastic. I haven't spent any of it yet because my husband and I came up with an idea of a way for me to use those funds, which is semi-related to this. So I'm going to get into this. For Christmas, My wonderful, amazing, devoted husband got me the Milan Art Institute Mastery Program. It is, if you haven't heard of it, it is a year-long artist program where they teach you everything from drawing and oil painting and mixed media and how to find your voice and um, how to be a successful artist, how to sell your work, how to brand yourself, how to market yourself. Just everything you need to become a professional artist. And I'm fairly confident in my drawing skills. Of course, there is always room for improvement. But I've always wanted to be a painter. My grandmother was an oil painter, and she did these amazing oceanscapes. And I just, I really wanted to do this program. And my husband has kindly gifted it to me. So for the next year, I'll be doing this program. And to start, the first part of the program is drawing and oil painting. And they do have kits you can buy, but I literally have practically every drawing implement medium known to man. So I didn't need to buy the pencils or the charcoal or the smudge sticks or kneaded erasers. Like I had all that stuff. I did have to buy one other thing, but I'll show you. But what I did not have was good quality artist oil paint or good quality oil painting brushes. So, from the Milan art store, I don't know if I'm going to be able to open this here. Oh, wow. Okay, well, I'm going to move the box and take things out and then bring it over and show you because these packing peanuts are going to go everywhere. Oh, that's nice. These are the brushes. And of course I dropped one. Oh, wow. Huh. I don't have the sizes marked on it, but that's all right. We have a giant filbert. A less giant, but still giant filbert. A flat. Nope, it's got sizing. Another flat. Flat. More filberts. A small round, medium round, and a rigger. These feel so nice. You can tell that they're really good quality. Wonderful. And I got the oil paints. This is their complete set of 27. Okay. So we have a large tube of the fast drying white. Royal violet. Dioxazine purple. Ultramarine blue. Phthalo blue. Prussian blue. Manganese blue hue. Thio indigo violet. Quinacridone magenta. Quinacridone violet. Cadmium orange. Alizarin crimson. Cadmium red medium. Cadmium yellow medium. Indian yellow. Cadmium yellow orange. Van Dyke brown. Raw umber. Burnt sienna. Yellow ochre. Hansa yellow light. Cadmium yellow light. Opus pink. Ivory black. Cobalt teal. Phthalo green. And sap green. So there you have it. These are all of my oil paints and brushes to start the mastery program, which incidentally, my start date is today. So I can't film step-by-step processes, but I am going to share my journey and my experience going through the art program. So that may mean monthly vlogs, or I don't think I'll do weekly, but at least once a month we'll check in and see how I'm doing and what I've created, and it should be fun. Take you along for the ride. Okay. Now, I didn't order this from Milan, but I did need to get Galgid. I already have linseed oil. And I have a gallon-sized glass jar coming as a sludge jar, but these are just white rags for the oil painting. And then the only other supply I needed that I did not have was water soluble graphite for the drawing portion. So I got some of that. And I also got glossy photo paper, which they recommend in the program to print out your reference photos. And I didn't have any photo paper, so I got some photo paper. So that is my 2025 Christmas haul and exciting news and plans for 2026. So, if you want to follow along my journey, don't forget to subscribe. While you're there, leave a like. It's free. And comment down below and let me know what arty gifts you got for Christmas. I'd be interested to hear. So, okay, that's all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.